Welcome to Lesson 29. Today, we are going to learn how to connect the weather with your feelings in Korean. Talking about the weather is a wonderful way to connect with others. And in Korea, it is the most common way to start a conversation. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to share how you feel based on whether it is raining or sunny. Let's take a look at the goal. We will practice simple, natural sentences. Instead of just saying, "it is raining," we will learn how to add your emotions to it. Like saying, "I feel gloomy when it rains." This makes your Korean sound much more like a native speaker. Before we start, let's do a quick review of the hospital phrases from our last lesson. Can you remember how to say, "I'd like to see a doctor"?
진료 받고 싶어요.
Or, "Since when have you been sick?"
언제부터 아팠어요?
These are essential for daily life in Korea. Today, we have 4 major goals. First, basic weather and temperature talk. Second, expressing your moods. Third, using the when pattern. And finally, using the because pattern. Let's get started! First, let's talk about the weather. In Korean, to say it's hot, we say.
더워요.
And for it's cold, we say.
추워요.
These simple words are used in messages with friends all the time. Next is mood. It is important to know that in Korea, sharing your mood is seen as a sign of building closeness. Saying,
오늘 우울해요.
means I am gloomy today. It is perfectly normal when you want to share your feelings with a friend. Now, the first grammar pattern, using
오년,
which means when or if. You can say,
비 오면,
means when it rains, and then add your feeling, like,
우울해요.
for I feel gloomy. It is a very natural way to express a habit. Pattern number 2 uses
서,
to show a reason. So, instead of just stating a fact, you can say,
비가 와서 피곤해요.
I feel tired because it is raining. This shows you have a logical, conversational flow. A little cultural tip: Korean people love talking about the weather. On rainy days, many say they feel a bit sleepy or sentimental. If you use these phrases, you will find that it is the easiest way to make friends and start a chat. Let's practice! Here are basic weather phrases for rain and snow. Korea has 4 seasons, and there will be raining in the summer and snowing in the winter very often.
비가 와요.
It means it is raining, and
눈이 와요.
it means it is snowing. Say each one 3 times out loud to get comfortable with the rhythm.
비가 와요. 비가 와요. 비가 와요. 눈이 와요. 눈이 와요. 눈이 와요.
Now for general weather.
날씨가 좋아요.
It means the weather is nice, or you can say
날씨가 안 좋아요.
when the weather is not good. We use these phrases quite often, especially when deciding whether to go for a walk. Let's repeat it with me.
날씨가 좋아요. 날씨가 좋아요. 날씨가 좋아요. 날씨가 안 좋아요. 날씨가 안 좋아요. 날씨가 안 좋아요.
Now let's use our when pattern. It is easy to use after rain or snow. Add
오년,
plus emotion. You can use it as
비 오면 우울해요.
means when it rains I feel gloomy. And for the snow,
눈 오면 신나요.
means when it snows I get excited. Feel the emotion in these words. Let's practice with me.
비 오면 우울해요. 비 오면 우울해요. 비 오면 우울해요. 눈 오면 신나요. 눈 오면 신나요. 눈 오면 신나요.
Moving to the because pattern,
서,
plus emotion. For example,
비가 와서 좀 피곤해요.
means I am a little tired because it's raining.
날씨가 좋아서 기분이 좋아요.
Means I feel good because the weather is nice. Repeat out loud 3 times each with me.
비가 와서 좀 피곤해요. 비가 와서 좀 피곤해요. 비가 와서 좀 피곤해요. 날씨가 좋아서 기분이 좋아요. 날씨가 좋아서 기분이 좋아요. 날씨가 좋아서 기분이 좋아요.
Here is your vocabulary list. Take a moment to look at words like
기분,
mood,
흐리다,
to be cloudy,
신나요,
I'm excited,
좀,
a little. These are the building blocks for all the sentences we practiced today. This word book is a quick reference for you. From it's raining to I feel good because the weather is nice. These 12 points cover everything you need to review. Let's read this dialogue. Person A asks, "How is the weather today?" And person B replies about how they feel. Notice how they switch between when and because, naturally.
오늘 날씨가 어때요?
비가 와요.
비 오면 기분이 어때요?
저는 비 오면 좀 우울해요.
맞아요. 비가 와서 좀 피곤해요.
근데 내일은 날씨가 좋대요.
와, 좋네요. 날씨가 좋으면 기분이 좋아요.
Here is a summary table of all the key phrases. You can use this as a cheat sheet whenever you want to practice your Korean sentences.
비가 와요. 눈이 와요. 날씨가 좋아요. 날씨가 안 좋아요. 비 오면 우울해요. 눈 오면 좋아요. 비가 와서 피곤해요. 날씨가 좋아서 행복해요. 더워요. 추워요. 기분이 좋아요.
For your homework, I want you to write a 5 to 6 line dialogue using the weather and mood patterns we learned. Practice reading it out loud. It is the best way to improve your speaking. You have done a great job today. Remember, learning a language is all about connecting with others. Keep using these weather expressions, and you will sound more natural every day.